Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create elegant dress and dress to impress without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to wear the withered rose set. So make sure you have purchased this set. Okay, I'm going to wear this dress and then I'm going to color it black like this. I'm just going to color it black except the flower. Okay, oops, sorry. For the flower, I'm just going to leave it like that, and also for the chain. Okay, and then we're going to make the texture glitter. You can apply the same texture or material to all the selection, and then I'm going to wear this sleeves as well and color it black. All right, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Just make them glitter like this. And the next one, we're going to wear the dress from the Style Showdown. Okay, make sure you have won this dress, and then I'm just going to make it glitter as well. Okay, just make them glitter, and then this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this elegant dress and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.